Good morning, year two. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Okay, let's start our session quickly today. Okay, as we said before, that we are gonna finish the lesson of the rocks today. So our objectives are that we are gonna revise all of the lesson, and then we are going to solve some pages in your resource pack. And then there will be a homework. I will solve it with you orally, and then you must do it and send it to me on your Google Classroom. Okay, this will be the reading homework. Okay, so let's start quickly. As we said that our lesson is talking about rocks. And we said before that there is something called natural resource, or natural resources means that they are things that they are found in nature, that they are created by God, that God made it and the man didn't make anything in it, right? Okay, and we said that those are the things that the people use it from the earth because they are found on the surface of the earth. God created them, they are found in nature, so the people they are using them. Like what? Like the plants. We said that we are eating the plants like the vegetables and the fruits. Also the water, the water is a natural resource that we drink it, we cook with, we wash with it, our hands, our face, our clothes, we make everything with water. The third natural resource is air. Also we said that we are breathing the air, we are breathing the oxygen. The plants, they are breathing carbon dioxide and giving us oxygen. The animals, they are breathing also the oxygen which is in the air. So we are using the air as a natural resource which is found on the earth. The fourth thing are the animals. Also, we said that we are eating the animals, we are using them as pets at home, we are using the eggs from the chicken, for example, we are eating it, we are using the wool from the sheep, we are riding horses, doing our hobbies. So we are using the animals as a natural resource from the surface of the earth. The last thing, which is the topic of our lesson, are the rocks. So, natural resource is a thing which is found in nature, created by God. Man didn't make anything in it. And it's found in nature and it's found on the surface of the earth. So the people, they are using it like the plants, animals, water, air, and finally the rocks. So rocks, they are hard, as we said. They have different sizes, shapes, and colors. We said that some of them, they are circular, rectangular, square in shape, big, small, medium, grayish, brown. They have different things, different sizes, shapes, and colors. The last thing, of course, we said that rocks, they are non-living. What does it mean by non-living? It means that they can't eat, they can't drink, they can't breathe the air, they can't get babies, so they are non-living. Okay, where can I find the rocks? I can find it either below the grass, means in the soil, or even in the city streets. Like we said that we are finding stones, pebbles, we are finding some bricks, we can find some rocks in the city streets. And even at the bottom of the ocean, I told you, if you went diving, you will see it. Even if you didn't do it, you will see it in the movies and on the TV. So you will see it in the bottom of the ocean. Okay. Okay. We said also that long time ago, for thousands of years ago, when people discovered that there is something called rocks, they used it as tools. When they said that, oh, there are rocks on the surface of the earth, they decided to use it as what? As tools. Like what? We said that they can use it as to make fires, for example, okay, to get warmth or to cook with, because there were no kitchen before, or there were no stoves or cookers. Okay, so they used it to cook on it, okay, when they make the fire. And then they used it for example, the weapons in wars, okay, because there were wars long time ago. They used it in the beauty, like the combs for their hair. They used it in sewing, like this needle, okay. Even they use it as hammers to, for example, to make the nails, to make anything with it. So when people discovered that there are something called rocks, they decided to use it as tools, and these were long time ago, for thousands of years ago. Okay? Okay. So we said rocks. What are rocks? We said that where can I find it? And then finally they used it as tools for a long time ago. The last thing is the rocks examples. First of all, chalk. This is the picture of the chalk. How can I use chalk? I will use it to make chalk also. Either the white one or the colored ones, as we said. Marble, this is the shape of the marble. What can I use marble for? I will use it to make statues. Okay? Slate, this is the shape of the slate. What can I use slate for? I will use it for making roof tiles. Okay? Then the limestone, this is the shape of the limestone. How can I use the limestone? To make the cement, and then I will use the cement in building, for example. This is the granite. This is the shape of the granite. I will use it for what? For making the kitchen tables. Okay, so we took slate, chalk, marble, granite, limestone, and these are their shapes. The slate in roof tiles, I use it in roof tiles. Chalk, I use it to make chalk. Marble to make statues. Granite to make kitchen tables. Limestone to make the cement. I told you, if I'm saying rock or I'm saying the stone, so I'm saying about the rock name, and this is a natural resource and this is found in nature. Okay, then we said that stones and pebbles, they are small pieces of rocks. So stones and pebbles, they are types of rocks and they are small pieces of them. The last thing in the rocks, that there are natural resources rocks that they are found in nature, and some of them they are man-made or made by people, like the bricks. Again, if I told you slate rock or slate anything, I will say it, this is a natural resource. Slate rock, slate stone, so this is a natural resource. But slate brick, this means that it is man-made. Man took the rock of the slate and then he shaped it and then he gave it its color and then polished it to make the slate, for example, as a roof tile. Okay, so again, for example, if I'm saying the marble rock, marble stone, this is the natural resource found in nature, God created it. But if I told you marble brick, what does it mean by this? This means that man made it. What does it mean by this also? That man took the marble as a rock from the nature and then he shaped it and then he polished it and then, for example, he made the statues. Okay, so brick, if I'm saying to you brick, this means man-made. If I'm saying rock or stone, this means that it is found in nature, man didn't make anything in it. Okay, then we talked about the minerals. We said that rock are made from one or two minerals. This is an info. What are the minerals we are gonna take? The graphite, magnetite, fluorite, and turquoise. First of all, the graphite, this is the shape of the graphite. Mostly it is black in color or black and then a little bit gray. We use it, of course, in the pencil, the part which we write with, and then we put wood, as I told you, for the decoration, so as not to make our hands dirty or our papers dirty. So the graphite, we use it in the pencils, the part which we write with. Okay? Okay. Then the magnetite. The magnetite, from its name, we use it to make magnets. And of course, we all know the magnets. The magnets can attract some things and can't attract the other things. So magnets, they are made from the magnetite as a mineral. The third mineral, we have the fluorite. This is the shape of the fluorite. Okay. And we use the fluorite in making toothpastes. This is a very important mineral in the toothpaste, and this make the toothpaste clean our teeth, and it's very important in keeping our teeth healthy. Okay. Then the turquoise, it's the last thing. It's very beautiful in color. Can you see the bluish and the greenish color in it? So we use it in making jewelry. Okay. So those are the minerals: graphite, magnetite, fluorite, and turquoise. The graphite, we use it in pencils, magnetite in magnets, fluorite in toothpaste, and turquoise in the jewelry. And those are their shapes also, they are very important. Okay, now we are gonna come to solving the pages in your resource pack. Okay, and then the homework will be at the end. Okay, here in page 46, you're having question 2, match every mineral with its name and use. So those are the shapes of the minerals. Can you see? I gave them colors, okay, in numbers, okay, and then I will put the numbers here beside the name and beside the picture or the use of it. Okay, number 1, what is this? It is the, yes, it is the turquoise, and we make what with it? The jewelry. Yes. Number 2, what is this? It is the fluoride, and what do we use the fluoride in? We use to make the toothpaste. Excellent. Number 3, what is this? Yes, it's the magnetite. What do we use the magnetite in making? Magnets. Excellent. What this number 4? It will be the graphite, and then we use to make the pencils, the part we write with. Okay. Okay. This is page 49. Okay. This chart shows some of the ways that we use the minerals in our daily lives. We have here the graphite, okay, and this is a picture for a pencil. Magnetite, and those are pictures for magnets, and they are having different shapes. This is the U-shaped magnet, and this is a circular or round magnet. This is the fluorite, we use it in making the toothpaste, and the last one is turquoise, we make it the jewelry with. Number 1, study the chart, write a heading for the left column. Can you see the left column here? What is this? If I want to give it a title, heading means a title. If I want to give it a title, I will give it what? It will be type or name of the mineral, right? What about the heading for the right column? This is the right column, so he wants you to put a title. It will be the, yes, the use of the mineral. This is the name or the type of the mineral, and this is the use of it, okay? Number 2, where is the mineral graphite on the chart? Where is it? It will be the first one, right? Okay. What object it's made from graphite? What can I make with graphite? I can make what? Pencils. How do you know? I know because, of course, here it's not clear, it's black and white, okay, but how did you know that we make the pencils from graphite? Because it's grayish in color. It's having the same color, the graphite. We use it in making the part which we write with. And when it's written with, it leaves a line on a paper. Of course, when you write with a pencil, anything, for example, or making a line, you will find it is writing with you, right? Okay. Here comes page 50. Question 1, we are going to circle the best answer for the question. Number 1, what is one way people use rocks? A as food, B as tools, C as fuel, D as cloth. What can we use rocks for? To use it as? Yes, as tools. As long time ago, for thousands of years ago, they used it as tools. Number 2, how are rocks and air are alike? A, people use them to build. B, they are on the ocean floor. C, they are natural resources. D, people need them to live. How are rocks and air alike? If you are having a rock and you are breathing the air, how they are alike? We use to build, we can find it in the ocean, or they are natural resource, both of them, or people need them to live. Sorry, to live. They are natural resource. Do we need the rocks to live? We need air to live, but rocks we use it, okay, but this is not a very important thing to live. Both of them, they are natural resource. Number 3, which of these makes up rocks? A, wood, B, minerals, C, water, D, air. Which of these makes up the rocks? Yes, the minerals. Minerals or make rocks, or rocks are made from minerals. Okay. Question 2. Think and write. Where do rocks and minerals come from? We solved it before in the last session. Where do they come from? They are found where? From the ground, underground, right? Okay. Page 51. Okay. Question 3, we are having here some words and then we are going to find it down. Okay. So number 1, a what is hard non-living part of the earth? It will be, yes, it will be a rock is hard non-living part of the earth. Where can I find rock down? Yes, here. Okay. 2, a rock can be made of one what or made of different kinds. It will be made of one what? Yes, mineral. Where can I find mineral down? Yes, it will be here. 3, a water resource is something from nature that people use. A natural resource. Where can I find it down? Yes, it's here. 4, people can make what out of rocks? People can do what out of rocks? They can use tools. They can make tools. Where can I find it down? Yes. The last one, the mineral what can be found in pencil? The mineral graphite, and down it will be here. Okay? Okay, the last page before your reading homework, okay, page 52. We are having also words up and then we're going to write them down. Rocks are the most common materials on earth. They cover the what of the earth? They cover the surface of the earth. From the top of a mountain to the bottom of the ocean, okay, rocks and what are non-living things that make up part of the earth's surface? Rocks and minerals. Excellent. Rocks and minerals are natural resources. We said this before. A what is something from nature, such as water, wood, minerals that people use it in their daily life. They are natural resource. A natural resource is something we use it in our daily life. The mineral what is found in magnets. Magnetite. The key word is magnets. And what is found in pencils? Graphite. Yes. For thousands of years, people have made what from rocks? They have made tools from rocks. Excellent. They have even made what from rocks? Yes, they have made the statues from rocks. Excellent ones. Okay. Okay. Now we are coming to page 53. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, this is your reading homework. You will read your textbook or read the closer below and your graphic organizers in your resource packs and then solve. Okay, I'll solve it with you orally. Number 1, we use what like plants, animals, water, and rocks every day? We use natural resource. Number 2, unlike plants and animals, rocks are natural resources. 3, rocks can have different what and shapes. They can have different sizes. Yes. 4, rocks cover the what of the earth? They cover the surface of the earth. 5, people have used rocks as, yes, tools for thousands of years. 6, people can also use rocks to carve what or build things, carve statues. Okay, thank you so much. Please do your homework and send it to me back on your Google Classroom. Thank you so much and have a nice day.